All right, we're live. So a little bit of changes, man. I keep getting steamrolled. So goal now is I want to be a lot more selective with my setup. And I'll be going for 5 to 10 points. So maybe 10. A little bit more than usual, my usual 5, but like I said, the idea here is I want to take 1 or 2 trades per session. It's really what it is. So I don't care if I have to sit here all day until my perfect setup comes. But yeah, 1 or 2 quality setups for 10 points. That's all I want to do, man. Just tired of overtrading, buddy. Tired of overtrading. I need to dial it in. No more nonsense. Need to be a little bit more selective, but overall, I think I'm dialed. The framework, just like I said, just need to be a little bit more selective. So, that said, we're just waiting. Main thing I want to see is if we get a sweep of this overnight low, and then what we get from there. So that's way down there. Till then, we'll just sit here and watch. Alternatively, I mean, if we build some sort of interstructure that's valid enough, I'd be interested in. But till then. Chrissy, how the hell are you, little buddy? How are you? So we're not cooked, huh? Bro's been doom scrolling? I feel like I summoned you with that reel I sent you in the DMs. I know. Yeah, it's the one drug I can't quit, man. Good old doom scroll. Have you traded yet? Did you take the up thrusty? Opening drive? Yeah, maybe a little reclaim retest at 23K. Something like that indeed. Drinking mud juice. Oh shit, oh shit. What's going on, Roger? How the hell are you, buddy? Staying patient today, man. That's how we're doing. Staying very patient, being very selective. That's the plan. Are you taking your trades or are you staying patient as well? Wasted a couple at the open. You know what I like off the open? The short. Right here off the overnight high. There's like a nice up thrust right here. Doji. Or not a doji, a shooting star candle. And just a flush. What up, Ray? Look at this, Ray. Ray. Look at this. Look at that 5 minute. Look at that 5 minute. And look what it did. And I'll look at this 5 minute and look at what it's doing. Imagine that, dude. Your strategy's working again. It's crazy. The OD up thrusty. Yeah, that opening drive up thrusty really is the play of the day, bro. And I just noticed there was a level of interest there too, 21,100. That's very nice. Yeah. Yeah, I saw the charts you sent me. Ugh, wow. Man, I really like this. I gave 14 points on the array strategy right there. Dom 960? Talking about the Dom, this Dom? Or the Dom in the think tank Dom? Bruh, wrong chat. Wrong chat, Chrissy. Oh. I didn't know bro has his own LOI. What's that 960? Strong's live is crazy. Bro, that's so funny. Right, that 5-minute thing is literally what Trades by Matt trades. Just scalping for 10 points using like that same model. Except I don't think he does it on the 5-minute, I think he does it on the 2-minute chart. Or maybe he does it on the 5-minute, but it's like the exact same model. So funny. Basically, for just so you guys understand what I'm talking about, you wait for a 5-minute to close that looks like a hammer or a shooting star, and then you enter on that or through that candle's body high, and then you target 10 points. It's like, if you were to look at it on any other chart, it's almost like a momentum entry, but it definitely works. So it gave a move here, and then this candle gave a move here for 14 points. Kind of interesting. It's a asymmetrical RR though, so it's like not, it's a negative R trade, but you expect it to go right away pretty much. Oh wow, this is a 23 fibber as well. I mean, not 23, it's 38 here at 23K. Yeah, Ray, I don't know, man. That's a crazy entry that you sent me. Listen, I don't agree with it, but if it makes sense to you, by all means. Yeah, as long, I mean, if you have the conviction, you know. What's going on? We got Trump later. Yeah, it looks good for a THT. It's like an up thrust of the structure, 23K view app, and the fib. And shorts are definitely still in control, plus that daily. Lots of pressure from the shorts. Still feeling a little short. What do you want to see? What would be the plan for a potential trade? No, for Mr. Roger. One and done. I don't believe that, Ray. I know that's the plan. What? It looks like you only got like 5 points there, and that's never enough for a guy like you. So, I'll ask you the same thing, Ray. What's the next trade? Sheesh. Your wish may be coming true. Yeah, that's a nice signal right here for shorts. And you got priority low right there. Wow. It's a good area for shorts right here. VPOC shifted lower? Wow. It just keeps getting better, bro. Oh, man. If this makes a new low of day, well, damn. That's just a very high odd trade that we got to witness. Yeah. Now, there's a lot of confluence here. Fib, VWAP, prior day low, 23K. Nice signal, VPOC. Just the overall context of the daily. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's why I can't short either. I'd be changing my bias every time I see a setup turned into a potential higher low, like how it's doing right now. I'd start to flip back to long and back and forth. Still a 15-point trade? Yes it is. Oh, and the up thrust. Another confluence. Can't forget about the up thrust. Yeah. At this point, I'd be more surprised if we don't see a new session low. Y'all feeling long? No, not here. Not at all. Like I said, this whole zone is very, very good for shorts to reload. The structure up thrust, VWAP, bib, prior day low, 23k, sesh VPOC. It's too many confluences for a short for me to go against it. Yeah, same rate. That would be my pretty much. I was thinking like when I started the stream at this point, I just want to see two scenarios. It's either sweep of the overnight low, or you know, if I have to wait for this all day, but like if we build out some intraday structure, then I'll take a sweep of session low or some sort of. Yeah, pretty much that's really it. Just those two scenarios. I can't see anything else yet until further market development. Yeah, I mean, I would just see the reaction, right? So if we get an overnight or get a new low of day and it instantly bounces, then that would be my spring. If it just keeps on dumping, then I sit around. I'll wait till overnight low. And if even that doesn't bounce, then we just wait for the range low, which is far away. Yeah, but bib sell zone, but we also reclaimed the prior day structure, so it's actually very interesting. I was not expecting that. Was not expecting that at all. And I guess the higher lows are telling. What up, gang? Crusader, what's good, man? How are you doing? Today is a day of patience. $200 on a fun day, let's go. Yeah, I'm not touching that. I'm cooling on my funded for now. I've been a bad man. I need to get my discipline right. Get my toolkit honed out, honed in. whatever the correct expression is, but yeah. Need to dial it in, man. Yesterday was really bad. So that's what I'm saying. Stay in patience. Looking for the cleanest setups. 4 more days. You gotta just focus on the cleanest, easiest setups, man. And keep your risk tight. Oh yeah, good call, right? Yep. So it's actually around here. It's around 20. So it's actually at PDL on my end. It's like right here. In fact, I could probably... There it is. What we feeling today, chat? Hey. Tell the kids and the wife you have a little business trip. Book yourself a cabin for a nice 3-day weekend and just disappear, man. Just disappear. And sleep. Dreaming of candlesticks, bro. Dreaming of candlesticks, that's terrible, honestly. How it tastes. Tastes like liquidity. It depends what color, red or green. They probably have different flavors. Retest long? I'm barely seeing the retest right now. Unless you're talking about this little bitty thing. Mr. Crusader just shorted. Thought you were done for the day, man. What? It's a good area to short though, I gotta be honest. So long as this 23K gets flushed through, it should be a good short. THT number 2. Oh, you shorted against the prior day low. Nice. Yeah, that's good. That's what I'm saying. It's a good location. I definitely think this has edge to it, this location. And once again, 61% fib, PDL. Got your VPOC right there. Main thing, gotta clear that 23K level. And you solid. Bro, I have to, man. I'm in pain. This isn't even about passing it or anything. This is about proving to myself that I could lock in again and dial in. And that's what we're doing. I know a lot of you know the feeling, man. Once you get bonked a few times, a few too many times, you just kind of start doubting everything. Start doubting your whole system. Start doubting if you can even do this, if you're even built for this. Get that like weak mindset set in. It's like a plague, man. So yeah, That's what this combine is about. And it's already down too, so it's like all the fuel I need to stay patient and just take it one trade at a time, one good trade at a time. That's how I'm still cash, almost 2 hours in, just waiting. Oh yeah, Ray. Does this count? Ray, does this count? Shooting star through the body's high gave like another 10 points there. And I mean, just the fact that it aligns with all the stuff we just discussed too. Oh, I should close. Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot this includes the level. Yeah. I thought we were just talking just pure candlesticks. Obsession over discipline. Yeah. True. Yeah, I can't quit at this point, man. No matter how beat up I get, I'll feel worse if I quit. I know a lot of you could relate when you just go in too deep. Yeah, that word does not exist in this dojo. It's really not an option, bro. What is there to do? We've been doing it for all these years. You quit now? Or what? It's not the meme I was looking for, but it's just funny. No, this one. This is why you can't quit. That little meme has kept me in the game for years, bro. No, literally, right? Doing anything after I quit, I'll be like, well, what do I do now? I have to start all over with something else? I have to start all over with something else now? And what is that even gonna be? What is that even gonna be? And then it's like, bro, really? I just quit after all these years? After building up all that skill? Pointless. But yeah. I mean, yeah, this is more than just the 2-hour trader trade to me. And at that, the 2-hour trader framework ended for me right here because I don't like to get sloppy with VWAP. It's either it goes instantly or not. But the fact is, prior day low and the fib sell zone area, or if you treat this whole thing as a zone, is definitely putting up a fight. So spin off on the THD. Damn, Roger, look at that. I think Array beat you to it. That 007 entry on that initial test of that higher low. No, I get that trade too. I like it. I mean, it's like that typical reclaim retest. Higher low, higher low, higher low, reclaim retest of 23K, but has to go instantly. So yeah, nice job. for a scalp anyway. Yeah, I feel that. Lots of pressure. Check out this 30-minute and this 15 minutes about to close too. That's interesting. Could be crucial. 30 seconds on it. And then this 30-minute that we're working on as well. I mean, everything is screaming short. Short. Even this right here, right? Like you should have seen this bounce higher, break through this, but it didn't. It just rolled over, and now it's like struggling to even get back over 23. There you go. Kind of closed as a doji. Was thinking it would close as a shooting star, but it didn't. That 15-minute. They're trying again. Maybe. I can't. It's tough for me to say here. It's just been a fight for price in this whole zone for past half hour. I mean, that's the whole reason. Oh well, Sesh VPOC is at 23k now. And then we got that potential Trump talk in less than 15 minutes, so that could get us out of this zone. Guys, by the way, I started a new journal. So starting today, I'm gonna start logging everything with this little calendar, so you'll get to see me and my journey a little bit more transparent. See me unwind some profits or whatever I do. Don't worry about it, Ray. You missed nothing. No, nothing. I still look. I'm gonna start doing two things. I'm gonna start playbooking again, and then I'm doing tracking all my reviews with all the charts and stuff. I just want to start gathering a little more data. I think I'll be very grateful to myself by the end of the week. I mean, not the end of the week, by the end of the year. I think I'll be very grateful when I have records to look back on. Because so far I'm pretty pissed. Like the last 4 months I haven't tracked anything. And I got nothing to look back on. Besides these recordings. These recordings are nice, these live streams, but like a little more data would be nice too, you know? So yeah, good work, sir. We are so back. Oh, you're using the same one too. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this is gonna be great. He's not. I don't think he's even here anymore. I heard he got back on Instagram after having it deleted for months. He's probably busy doom scrolling now. Well, yeah, look at that. Looks like this just ended up a higher low. Very ugly one. I mean, you definitely got shaken out of that if you held. That's, yeah, you know why? Because he'll trade all around it. He'll probably long right here, take some, add here, all that. Ugly stick spring. Ugh. Getting boring. Yeah, I feel that. It doesn't work for me though. Trading like that. Maybe one day. I would definitely just get too mixed up. That's what I'm saying. That's good for hindsight trading. But hey, I don't know if we already talked about this one. Closed above the 23K, gave this whole move. Yeah, Roger, I agree. We might even see this just build out into a whole structure here. Who knows? We'll just have to sit around and find out. Yeah, Ray, I mean, I might just, like I said, I've said this before, I might just have to start up a whole new account called the Rain Man Strats. There you go. Looks like Trump. Told y'all. Told y'all. Lock it, Crusader. Don't let it go to waste. A new low day is not promised when shit starts moving this quick. It could easily just bounce back depending on what they say. So definitely protect some of that open profit. Still nothing on the tape, but looks like they definitely said something. Man. $980 spring right here. No. Sheesh. Bro, that's... See, Crusader, this is what I was saying, bro. This is exactly what I was saying. That erratic move, it usually gets faded very quick. So just careful. Not saying that we won't see session low, but just be careful. Ray, this is what I was talking about yesterday, right? This is exactly what I was talking about. I don't think this is valid of a spring. This is like a random structure. What I was telling you yesterday is that my goal to focus now is like on big pivots, not some near-term lows. Because trades like that is exactly what hasn't been working for me. Well, not hasn't, but it's been like very 50-50. Yeah, I get the trade. Like I said, this is and I would have took this yesterday, 100%. I'm just saying, like, now I'd rather just go for something that's way more objective, like just more of this, you know. Yep, like a slight one. $22,800. It's quite a quite a way. Still got the overnight low. Still got that overnight low. This is the main thing I'm watching right here. This thing. And then I want to see how we react to it, because it could just undercut and bounce. Mr. Ray, it's time to start live streaming and drop a course. No, I know. Yeah, the group is definitely solid. Everyone's just on the same journey. Yeah, Sam, that's what I do. Last thing I do, or last thing I want to do is sit there and teach somebody. I'm trying to make my money and leave, man. The whole reason we got into this is so we could work less, you know? Not for long. Part of the game for now. It's like, yesterday I was crying to Kyle, but then, you know, he says the classic, it's like, bro, any field that pays well is gonna take forever. The learning curve, right? Like surgeon or higher tier lawyer. Somebody who's going to be making fat 6 figures. Takes them anywhere from 6 to 8 years to start making the money. So trading is the same, except your potential is uncapped. Yeah, facts. Man, I cannot get involved in this action, bro. None of this has been compelling yet. I mean, yeah, case could be made for this little sweep, but like I said, I was trying to see either session low or the overnight low, and I don't want to deviate from my plan there. 3 years. Yeah, this is my 5th. Ray, how long you been full time? Oh, 3 years as well. Damn, I thought you were in it a little bit longer. Well, at least you joined at the right time. You joined right whenever we... Oh, guys, I have to cut the stream. I have a emergency meeting with Kyle, so I'll be back on in a bit. Most likely be back on in a bit, so see you guys.